This question is kind of similar to question number 6, but the measurements are different. So here we have a sphere with a radius of 30 centimeters, and a plane passes through, kind of cuts off a slice, 10 centimeters from the center of the sphere. So that's what I've drawn here. And we need to find the area of the circle that is formed when that plane passes through, and that's the area that's shaded in a lighter green. So in order to do that, we're going to need to find the radius of that circle. So this measurement right here, and if you kind of use your imagination, you can see that a right triangle is formed by these 3 measurements. And that means that we can use the Pythagorean theorem to find out the measurement of that radius. So if you take a look, the hypotenuse is the 30 centimeter radius of the big sphere. So 30 centimeters minus 30 centimeters squared minus 10 centimeters squared will give us our new radius squared. So that makes 900 minus 100 is our radius squared, and what we will get by taking the square root of both sides is the square root of 800, and I'm going to leave that in square root form for a second, and you'll see why it's not necessary to find a decimal approximation actually. And what is the formula for the area of a circle? That is pi times r squared. So I'm just going to plug in our radius that we found. So pi times square root of 800 squared. And now you can see that the square is going to cancel out with a square root, and what we're left with is pi times 800. In other words, 800 pi centimeters squared. And that is our answer.